Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. All right, so today we're talking about the Roborock Qrevo CurvX. And honestly, if you've been on the fence about getting a robot vacuum that actually does everything, this one might just be the answer. But is it really worth the investment? Let's break it down with real numbers. The Qrevo CurvX is Roborock's slimmest robot vacuum yet, coming in at just 3.14 inches tall. That's 7.98 centimeters, which means it can glide right under your sofa, under your bed frame, under those low cabinets where dust loves to hide and you never want to reach. Most robot vacuums sit at 4 inches or more, so that slim profile is a genuine game changer for thorough whole home cleaning. Now, what do those suction numbers actually mean in real life? The CurvX packs 22,000 pascals of hyperforce suction, which powers through deep carpet debris, stubborn floor gap residue, pet fur, and long hair up to 40 centimeters long. That's not just a marketing number. In real-world testing, the CurvX scored 0% hair tangle, compared to a current industry average of 28% across tested robots. So if you've got pets or long-haired family members, you know exactly why this matters. And let's talk about the zero tangling design for a second, because this is one of the biggest reasons this robot has become so popular. Roborock engineered a revolutionary dual anti-tangle system with both a duo-divide main brush and a FlexiArm arc side brush, designed to handle everything from pet fur to 40 cm. Long hair with absolutely zero brush maintenance needed. That means no more stopping every few runs to cut hair off the brush roll. Just set it and forget it. Now here's where it gets really impressive, the mopping system. The dual rotating microfiber mop pad spin at 200 revolutions per minute and press down with up to 12 newtons of pressure when deep cleaning mode is enabled for heavy dirt. The dock uses 80 degrees Celsius hot water, that's 176 degrees Fahrenheit, to dissolve stubborn stains and grease, ensuring mops are thoroughly cleaned and hygienic with every single use. Mop drying is handled with 45 degrees Celsius warm air over 2 to 4 hours, preventing mold growth and unpleasant odors why is this product such a popular choice right now? A big part of it is the Retract Sense LiDAR navigation. The LiDAR automatically retracts under low furniture into a 100-degree rear field of view and then extends for full 360-degree scans when the path is clear. A system that lets the robot navigate seamlessly without getting stuck. On top of that, Reactive AI 3.0 uses structured light and an RGB camera to intelligently detect and avoid 108 types of objects in both well-lit and dark spaces, so you never need to clear the floor before it starts cleaning. The AdaptiLift chassis allows the robot to lift its entire body up to 4 centimeters to cross thresholds and navigate furniture legs smoothly, so it handles transitions between rooms and floor types without skipping a beat. The dock holds a 4-liter clean water tank, giving you roughly 3,550 square feet of coverage before it needs a refill, and the auto dust emptying means you can go up to 7 weeks without manually emptying the bin. 7 weeks. That is genuinely hands-free. The CurvX launched in North America in May 2025 at an MSRP of $1,500, but street prices have since dropped to the $849 to $1,100 range depending on promotions, making it one of the most competitive flagships in its bracket. Independent reviewers ranked it first in its price bracket for obstacle avoidance, app quality, and customer support, with some of the best long-term customer reviews in its price range. The Roborock app adds Smart Plan 2.0, which learns your cleaning habits and adapts to different room types and floor materials automatically. And yes, there's even a built-in camera for real-time video calls and two-way voice interaction with your pets while you're away. That's just a fun bonus. Bottom line, if you want a robot vacuum that is slim enough to reach everywhere, powerful enough to handle pet hair and deep carpets, and smart enough to mop, wash its own mop pads, dry them, empty itself, and refill its own water, the Roborock Qrevo CurvX delivers all of that in one elegant package. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.